I'm going to be making mini quiches with caramelised onion. You will need puff pastry sheets, onion, olive oil, brown sugar, eggs, cream, and parmesan cheese. You can also use any additional fillings that you like. Okay, first we're going to make our caramelised onion, and to do that you're just going to need to get one brown onion, cut it in half, cut the ends off and peel it, and then you're just going to thinly and evenly slice it. Then you're just going to heat up 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a small pan that has a lid, and just pop in your onions when the oil has gotten hot, and you're just going to stir that around, pop the lid on top and have the heat on low, and you're just going to let that cook until it's softened. You don't want it to be browning, you just want it to be getting nice and soft and starting to break down a little bit. And when you can see that your onion's quite soft, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and stir that around, and just let that cook for a few minutes until you can see that the onion has browned slightly. Then you're just going to cut out of your pastry some rounds and put them into a greased muffin tray. Add a 1/4 cup of cream to a measuring jug. Crack 4 eggs into this. And then add a 1/4 cup of finely grated parmesan cheese. Whisk this together. Now just add any salt, pepper and any seasonings that you would like to add, and whisk that in as well. Now taking the caramelised onion that should have cooled a little bit, just divide it evenly amongst them and add any additional toppings that you would like. I'm just adding spring onions chopped up. Then you're going to carefully pour the egg mixture into each tart and make sure that you don't overflow, and if you do spill any on the tin, make sure to wipe it up as it will burn. Then you can bake it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or until golden and set. When you take them out, just let them cool a little bit first before you serve them, and then just slide them out, and I like to garnish mine with a little bit of fresh herbs. Enjoy your mini quiches.